All right, so some of you have asked about putting a chimney on the roof, and as it turns out, it's a little more complicated than just plopping it down, especially determining the correct angle of that part of the chimney right there. So if you're interested in doing this correctly, I can show you how to do it. It's a number of steps. So here's our drawing, and I haven't darkened in the ridge line because the chimney is going to pop up here somewhere, and we'll do that later. But the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to decide where along here I want my chimney. So I'll do that just by putting a little dot on the roof, and I'm going to connect that to the vanishing point on the left. And then we're going to decide where the chimney is going to start and stop. So here's going to be the left side, and here is the right side. And when I've got those, I can draw some construction lines through there. And so now that we've chosen that, we can darken this in, because we know that that is going to be where the chimney is. And I can also decide where the top's going to be. So the chimney is going to be here. And so I can make a line from there to there, and then connect those. So we've got part of our chimney. We can actually put this in as well. But we just don't know where this other side is. So we can actually decide that. I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to put that right there, and draw a vertical down through that. And that allows us to do this. So it's almost complete, but as it turns out, that final angle is going to be a bit tricky. So this is what we need to do. We need to make a little footprint down here. And so we're going to start by transferring some information. So we've got this bottom, and where it hits the roof, we're going to, where it intersects that roof line, we're going to go down like this. And where it intersects there, we're going to come over with a line. And so now we have the chimney coming down, and here's the footprint, at least the start of it. And so now we're going to complete that little footprint by connecting these lines. You'll see why we need to do that in just a minute. So got this line, and then here's the other corner. And this is important. So we're going to come out here. This is the footprint, and this is providing us with some additional information that we need. So we kind of started with this mark right here, and that allowed us to find this mark, which is the other side of the chimney where it intersects the wall. And so we're really just transferring this information. We're going to go up from there, and this is where it hits the roof. And we'll go back from there to that vanishing point. And now we've got the information we need. So it's the intersection of this line with this line, right, right there. So that gives us the correct angle. And these angles, by the way, get increasingly more acute as they go back. And you you might think that this is a tiny thing, but and it is, but a lot of tiny things are going to support the illusion of three dimensions, and we want to understand this so we can enter it correctly. And that is it.